In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get interactive photos in Microsoft Sway in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to create a more dynamic presentation to engage your audience better, Microsoft Sway offers a fantastic platform. Whether you're a teacher, professional, or hobbyist, integrating interactive photos can make your content pop. So, let's dive right into the process. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Sway. It's essential to use a reliable browser to ensure a smooth experience. Once you find the official Sway website, click on it to open the page. If you're using Microsoft Edge or Chrome, either works perfectly. Now, let's sign in. Look for the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page and click it. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might be automatically signed in. However, if you're new to Microsoft or don't have an account, you'll need to click on Create One. This will prompt you to enter your email address, choose a secure password, and provide a few additional details to set up your account. Remember to choose a password that's not only memorable but also strong for security reasons. Great! Now that we're signed in, it's time to get creative. You'll notice a plus icon, and clicking it allows you to add a new card. From the options, choose Media to upload your images. This is your starting point for creating interactivity. After uploading images, the next step is to select the images you want to group. This grouping is where the magic begins. Look over to the right-hand panel for the Group option. This feature allows you to organize your images into different interactive layouts. This leads us to selecting the type of grouping that you'd like. You have a few exciting options to consider. If you want a flashcard effect to keep your audience guessing, choose the Stack option. For a more straightforward view, where all images are visible at once, opt for the Grid layout. If you want to create a slideshow effect where images cycle through seamlessly, select the Slideshow option. Each choice can dramatically change how your information is presented, so think about what suits your narrative best. Finally, while still in the right-hand panel, explore options to adjust how the images behave. You can set the image duration, meaning how long one image stays before moving to the next, or tweak how images are presented on screen. Play around with these settings to get the feel and pace that fits your presentation. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've transformed static images into an engaging interactive experience on Microsoft Sway. Whether it's for a presentation, a classroom, or just to share cool stories, these interactive photos will surely capture attention. Thank you for joining me today, and happy swaying!